everybody, KC0 of Yai Tom here. Sorry, I'm laughing, I almost got ran over. We're in Rochester, Minnesota this morning. As you can tell behind me, it is a gorgeous morning. Very little wind, it's about 60 degrees, gorgeous sunshine. Considering when I rolled out of bed at St. Ansgar this morning, it was overcast, cold, and it looked like it was going to rain. We're up here at Rochester at Apache Mall. Actually, that's a Chevy dealership here, Chevy Cadillac dealer. We are at a Corvette Car Show. This is really interesting. I've never been to a car show that was just specific models. Let's take a walk, see what we can see, and have a good time. On this chilly morning, there was some coffee to help keep you warm till the sun got you going, along with some rolls. Over here we had some chips that were donated. Then the most important table, the door prize table. As you swing by here, you can see some of the items they have that are going to go away. Then they had some normal freebie stuff. A lot of people having a lot of fun. Wow, this is exciting. I've never seen so many Corvettes in one spot, different models, colors. All the owners are really proud of them. Man, they were talking my ear off. Then they go, oh, which one yours? They go, I don't have a vet. A couple years ago, I had a chance to buy one. I believe it was an 82. Kind of looks like that white one. And didn't have a place to store it. I mean, I don't want to leave it outside. I don't have a garage yet. And that'd just be a shame. You don't want to do something like that to a nice car. On that, I got places to go, things to do. Very busy man. Actually, I got to find some breakfast. 7-3, take care, everybody. Be sure to tell your friends, neighbors, other hams. Subscribe, hit that bell to get notification when new videos come out. Add comments below. 7-3, everybody. Close, take 2 and 3, 2.